Hello, Tony. How are you?
Hello, Gogo. I'm fine, thanks. Jenny, Gogo's here. Super.
We can play hide and seek.
All right, you hide. Where's Gogo? I don't know. He's under the bed. Come out, Gogo. I can see you. Hide again, Gogo.
All right. Don't look.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can look now. Is he under the bed? No, he isn't. Is he on the desk? No, he isn't. Is he behind the door? No, he isn't. Is he in the drawer? No, he isn't in the drawer. Is he under the pillow? We can't find you, Gogo. Where are you? He's in the basket. Look out, Gogo! I like this game. Let's play again.
No, thank you. Look, I'm on the ball. Now I'm behind the ball. Now I'm under the ball.
You're under the egg.
Very good, GB. I'm under the egg. Where's the fork, Tappy?
It's on the egg.
That's right, Tappy. The fork is on the egg.
The egg is under the fork.
Yes, Pod. The egg is under the fork.
The plate is on the fork. The bowl is on the plate.
The apple is in the bowl.
The elephant is on the bowl.
Where's the fork?
The fork is on the egg.
Where's the plate?
The plate is on the fork.
Where's the bowl?
The bowl is on the plate.
Where's the apple?
The apple's in the bowl. Oh.
Where's Gogo?
I'm under the elephant.